Welcome to the unboxing of the BanDai model kit of the Mandalorian spaceship Razor Crest. The box comes secured by two plastic bands. On the outer horizontal band is a label advising the reader of the following: use a nipper to build, no glue is required, and the model is made with colored plastic. The box is 7.5 inches wide, or 19 millimeters, 6 inches high, or 15 millimeters, and 2 inches, or 4.5 millimeters thick. Along the bottom front of the box is information about the history of the ship, both fictional and realistic. Along the top panel of the box is a photo of a completed model. Along the left side panel is a choking hazard warning. Inside we have the parts bag and the instructions. Printed on the bottom of the box in English and Japanese are choking hazard cautions and notes on assembly. Along the inner edge is a QR code and a BanDai URL for product information. On the right edge is product information about an X-Wing and the Millennium Falcon. On the bottom edge is another QR code and URL. The top edge has another URL. The assembly instructions are in English and Japanese and are of limited use. Refer back to the bottom edge for more views of the ship and the decal locations. The bag contains the decals, two sprue panels of parts, and the ship stand. The ship parts are a silver gray color. and the stand is black. In part 2, we'll begin assembly.